Now let's talk about AWS infrastructure. AWS is a service which is present across the globe, has a footprint in various countries, but how they are able to achieve that? Using their AWS infrastructure. So let's try to understand what are the basic components of the AWS infrastructure which make AWS service a global thing. So it consists of three components: region, availability zone, and data center. So let's look into each component one by one. Region. Region is a physical location where the AWS is present. They are present in India in two regions, in Mumbai and Hyderabad, in United States, in various parts of Europe, as well as in East Asia as well. So region is a physical location where the cloud provider is present. Then inside the region, you have availability zone, which is also called as AZ, availability zone. So each region has at least 3 availability zone minimum, right? And each availability zone are far apart from each other. So let's suppose, for example, there is a region which is Mumbai. Mumbai has 3 availability zone inside it. And all these 3 availability zones will be far apart from each other, at least 100 kilometers from each other. So over the screen, you're seeing 3 availability zones. They will be at least 100 kilometers from each other. Each one of them has its complete power and cooling system as well. So they are not dependent upon each other, right? So if one of the availability zone goes down, the others are not impacted. And the region still remains intact even if one of the availability zone is down. And this increases the redundancy of the architecture and the availability as well. And then comes the third component, which is the data center. Each availability zone has few data centers. And AWS never reveals the location of the availability zone and the data center. They definitely tells you about that, okay, in which region they are present in, like they are present in Mumbai. That's great. But they never reveal, like in Mumbai, where actually they have their respective availability zone and data center due to the security reasons. So a data center is the basic unit of their infrastructure. And this is the place where the massive servers are there, in a control environment where they're controlling up the temperature and the humidity, and where actually the magic is happening up. When you're creating up an instance or creating up a bucket, uploading up a data, it is eventually being stored into the data center. So you can think about like multiple data centers combined together to form one single availability zone. Then multiple availability zones combined together to form one single region like Mumbai, right? And multiple regions like Mumbai, Hyderabad, North Virginia, Tokyo, these different regions combined together to form a global service like the AWS. So guys, this is for it. Thank you.